Here it is. The new toy. It's finally here. That's a big truck. And it's actually right now 10 p.m. at night, which is the best time to get this thing because there's no cars around here in the parking lot. As you can see, I like this gimbal. It's awesome. If you guys, it's on the link in the description. Actually, the guy that delivered my Porsche before, he already unloaded it, so I forgot to tell him. That's why I asked you. Like, can you wait for me? It was a 4S. It was a 997 4S.
Really?
Yeah, it was from Texas. It was a 07.
Oh really?
Yeah, I missed that thing. So it's like when I sold it, I was waiting for something better.
Oh, yeah?
So this hopefully this one is something better. So you guys can see that. It's an Aventador. Oh wait, we'll wait until it gets to the back. That's a better view back here. My God, that's loud. Alright, let's catch it right here. Let's catch it right here. Elevator time, going down. I didn't get to do this with the Porsche. Thankfully I could do this today, this time around. That's amazing. Should fit in the garage. I think it's small, it's not that big. It's not, I don't think it's as long as the M6. Yeah, I don't think it's as long as the M6. Maybe, yeah.
Let me know how the front is, because it's here, so I'm going uphill, So let me go if it gets close to the front.
Oh, okay. It's still okay. You're still good. Good. It looks good. Looks good. Yeah, you have some space. You're clear. You're clear. That's so nice. Oh, excuse me. Thank you. That's nice. let's do some paperwork and I'll get back with you guys.